Hi everyone, this is June and Mary. Tara, samahan niyo ako i-surprise si Mary for another birthday celebration. Akala niya tapos na, pero may pahabol pa pala. Hindi pa talaga tapos ang birthday celebrations ni Mary, kasi after 3 celebrations, naisip ko na she deserves more. This trip is my birthday gift for her. A 2-day staycation in a place that's not just for relaxation, it also supports the community and an advocacy. Matagal yun ang gustong bumalik dito. I even saw the message she sent to the owner and doon ko naisip na ito na yung perfect surprise for her. 2 days before the trip, sinabi ko lang sa kanya, mag-pack na ng bag, may pupuntahan tayo. On the day of the trip, before traveling, dumaan muna ako sa store to buy things we might need. Chips, snacks, mostly favorite snacks niya. Pang snapboard later, plus birthday materials like balloons, candles, para rin mamaya. Hindi muna ako bumili ng cake kasi baka masira sa biyahe. Which later medyo nag-regret ako. You'll find out why soon. After buying everything, nag-ready na kami and bumiyahe na. And at this point, wala pa rin siyang idea kung saan kami pupunta. If you're planning to visit too, from Subic, just pin Kabangan Rural Bank sa map. Dadaan kayo sa Castillejos, then to San Marcelino, and shortcut na going to San Narciso, and from there, San Felipe na, and finally Kabangan. Kapag nasa Rural Bank na kayo, papasok pa yung daan, so better use your map talaga. Nung malapit na kami, doon niya na na-realize kung saan kami pupunta. And sobrang na-excite siya, mission accomplished talaga. After a few minutes of driving, we finally arrived at Alon and Araw Club.
I was very happy na dito napili ni Jun kasi for us, this place is more than a resort. It's a purpose-driven space that supports sustainability projects and the local community. Kaya sobrang special talaga dito for us. We'll be doing a full feature tour in another video, so stay tuned for that. For now, share muna namin what we did during our stay. Before check-in, Sir Don, one of the co-founders, toured us around the Eco Village and showed us the improvements and the new amenities na meron na sila sa resort. Also, the tour is part of the perks you'll get kapag nagstay kayo dito. After the tour, we were finally able to go inside our room. Our room's name is Talisay, and we were actually upgraded to a bigger room because wala na daw available room for 2 during the time na nag-book si Jun. And it was super nice of them to do that. The room was really cozy, so after fixing our things, we changed agad and decided to catch the sunset. We went up to the roof deck and the view was just beautiful. Sobrang peaceful, sobrang calming, and extra special because we get to experience it together. Alon, the owner's dog, also joined us and nakitambay din sa roof deck. You can pet him kasi super bait niya talaga. After staying there for a bit, we walked to the beach na literally 2 minutes away lang. And quick fit check muna before anything else. We set up our picnic mat, took photos and videos, and just relaxed. One thing we really love about the beach here, hindi pa siya crowded. Tahimik lang, and all you can hear are the waves. We stayed until sunset and just enjoyed the moment.
After sunset, nagligpit na kami and went back to our room. Nag-work lang ako for a bit, then we called it a day. But the surprise isn't over yet. Follow us for part 2 because doon na mangyayari ang birthday surprise night. And things didn't exactly go as planned.
So, yun lang muna. Thank you for watching. Bye!